mountain to see a view all over Queenstown.
Calf just broke my heart.
We have this beautiful view right here about to go on a loop. Hey guys, so we've made it to our motel in Queenstown. We just went around the town getting some food at Goku restaurant and we're about to head up to the gondola. Weather's really gloomy today, so we'll see what we can get and what we can see. Hopefully the experience will be just as good. Yeah. The gondola up to Skyline Gondola, Queenstown. So we're on the Skyline Gondola up to Queenstown top. Up. On the Skyline Gondola right now and we're heading upwards to the Skyline Gondola. Hey guys, so we're on the gondola and we're gonna go up to the top of the mountain to see a view all over Queenstown. As you can see, we have this beautiful view right here. You know, yeah, Queenstown's down there and we'll be up there soon and we'll show you what happens.
Move out, move out.
On a race.
How excited.
Very excited. What are these things called again? Luge?
Yeah, they're called the luge. We're about to go on a luge.
I don't know, I was expecting to go all the way down. And calf just broke my heart now.